Hi guys, it's Susan from Luxe RV Resorts. I am coming at you from the Gateway. This is a fairly new RV resort that also has some casitas. They are located approximately 20 minutes to Zion National Park, so great location if you're going to go visit that or other surrounding attractions. And this place is just pristine. So clean, so nice, very convenient location. As you can see behind me, located around some red rocks, it's a great area to be in. So I want to show you everything. I'm going to show you all the amenities they offer and how clean this resort is. So let's get into the video. All right, let's go. Welcome to Gateway Luxury RV Resort, located in Verkin, Utah. This resort, with its lovely lobby, cozy sitting area in front of a contemporary fireplace, and a merchandise and general store, will hardly have you believing you're at an RV park. The general store offers conveniences such as drinks and snacks, sundries, and fun merchandise. The RV resort offers 81 big rig friendly RV sites, 31 pull-through sites, and 50 back-in sites, as well as 16 luxury casitas. Each RV site is maintained meticulously and offers full hookups, concrete level pads, and a picnic table. The sites don't have fire pits, but the resort does allow guests to utilize their own propane fire pits or have the option to rent a propane fire pit for use during their stay. As you drive up to the resort, you are undeniably greeted by the grand portico entrance, not a sight you see every day at an RV resort. RV sites 1 through 13 are located in this front area of the resort. A few of our favorite sites in this row were sites 4 through 8, as they are not located directly in front of the entrance and do not have any buildings blocking the beautiful views of the Red Rock Mountains in the distance. Back-in sites 14 to 34 are located along the perimeter of the property and located adjacent to a main road. There is a sound wall to diffuse the traffic sound, but you will hear some traffic from these sites. For those guests who don't mind, these sites offer the most budget-friendly option on the property. Pull-through sites 35 to 65 are nice and big rig friendly. These sites offer some views, and we thought row 52 through 65 was nice because it is located toward the center of the property and looks out over the grassy, open activity area, with sites 55 to 59 being the most desirable in that row. Lastly, sites 66 to 81 offer more back-end spots with some red rock views in the distance. Some things to take note of is that this resort does impose a 29-day max stay, and RVs older than 10 years need to obtain approval to stay at this property. The property also offers 16 luxury, fully equipped and air-conditioned casitas, 4 of which are dog-friendly. These well-appointed casitas offer either a king or 2 queen beds with a seating area, a kitchenette, and bathroom. These cabins offer all the luxury and convenience as a hotel and allow friends and family who don't own an RV to enjoy vacations together. Alright, let's talk amenities. It's almost become a standard for us to say, in order to call anything a Luxe RV resort, we want to see private restrooms with showers, and Gateway offers 9 of them. The bathrooms were clean, the shower water pressure was average to slightly low, and the water takes a little while to heat up, but it does and it feels good. And a perk we enjoyed seeing is that the bathrooms offer a shampoo and body wash dispenser, which we thought was a nice extra amenity. It's not uncommon to find a laundry room at an RV resort, but it's great when you find a really nice one. Gateway's laundry room was clean, offers 5 washer and dryers with online credit card pay option, a spacious table for folding, as well as a dispenser with soap, Clorox, stain remover, and dryer sheets. And if you get thirsty, they have a vending machine along with a bathroom inside the laundry room too. Not too shabby. Gateway has done a lot of things right here, but something that really stands out is their resort-style pool. You will have a hard time remembering you are at an RV resort while you rest in your lounge chair under the pergola while admiring the beautiful landscape at this luxe pool. Don't forget to step into the pool and treat yourself to a rock waterfall massage, and then make your way over to the hot tub to heal those muscles from a long day at Zion National Park. And when the evening sets in, grab a seat by the fire pit before ending your day. Other amenities include a small fitness room, off-leash dog park, cornhole, and pickleball, to name a few. Whether it be a visit to Zion National Park just 20 minutes away, the Zion Hot Springs, or if you're just looking for a resort-style vacation in your RV or a cabin, Gateway Luxury RV Resort will fit the bill.